Hello and welcome back to another video on Friend's Car Repair Corner. So this is my Ford Mondeo Mark IV Titanium X 2 litre TDCi before I did my exhaust. Found these headlights online for a good price, so I was like, right, let's get them, and then decided that I'd give them a quick polish up before putting into the car. And that's when I then broke the clip, which then made me realise actually this could be a relatively good video for the channel. So while actually cleaning up the headlights, that's where I've then snapped the clip. So here's my theory and the steps that I've then taken to fix my headlight. Line up the holes, sit at the hole on that one there, make a little mark like I have. Now I need to drill through that. Check my bolt. Needs a little bit more wider. There we go then, that's all tightened up. Bolt on the end. Nice and stiff. So yeah, once that then clamps to the car, as I say, I could always use the same thing underneath, not that one. That's the old one. But yeah, let's go get this to the car. Yay, no more warning about my lights. If you have enjoyed watching, then please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well, comment and let me know what you think, and join me on the next one. Cheers guys.